Today we are going to talk about shopping. I will ask you some questions. Please answer in full sentences. Are you ready?
Yes, sure.
Do you like shopping?
Yes, I like shopping.
How often do you go shopping?
I usually go shopping on the beach.
Where do you usually go shopping?
I often go to shopping near my house.
Who do you usually go shopping with?
I usually go to shopping with my friend.
What do you often buy when you go shopping?
I often buy drink and food.
Do you prefer shopping at the market or at the mall wise?
I prefer shopping at the market because it is cheaper.
What time do you usually go shopping?
I usually go shopping afternoon on weekend.
Do you like to buy clothes or food most?
I like to buy food more because I'm boring to walk.
Have you ever bought something online?
Yes, I have bought something online like a skirt and dress.
What did you buy the last time when you went shopping?
The last time I bought a dress, fruit, and drink.
Thank you for sharing about your shopping habits. That was great. This is the end of your speaking test. See you again soon.